Gold traded in a range while silver traded with moderate bearishness. So far, we have seen silver sliding all the way towards 36.35, while gold has struggled to trade below 32.80 levels. We have seen it trading in range. At the same time, on the upside, the resistance at 3300, close to 3300 levels, playing out very, very well. What to expect now? The NFP data definitely going to set the stage on fire, which direction the metal's gonna take, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver today. We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. When you see gold on the early charts, clearly after every drop, it tries to retrace, and this is another retracement. But what's happening here? See, after this rise, it has formed a nice flag. It is trying to break out here. This suggests there could be slight bullishness, but only bullishness is seen if it trades now beyond 33.10, 33.15 levels. If these two levels are taken, there is a possibility that it can move all the way towards 33.30, though it appears difficult looking at the move. But when you see the consolidation, it is shown at around 32.80. It appears it has formed a very, very good support. And thus on the downside now, it is very important for gold to trade below 32.80. And only if it trades below 32.80, we should term it as bearish. Now see, the moving averages have started to converge for a crossover on the buy side, but not yet crossed over. The stochastic rising, the MACD also rising, trading with divergence, supportive for further rise. RSI is also rising. On the 2-hour charts, the observation is similar. See, smaller bullish greener bodies, and see every time it rises, it shows you a push here from the top, suggests that there is greater resistance, while on the downside you can see the support is also playing out very, very well. Whenever it tries to drop, it shows a pullback. Now it is pretty important first for gold to trade below 32.90 and then below 32.80. This zone is getting critical here for gold to break below, else right now it is looking upwards. Right now it is trying to trade in green. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic, MACD, RSI, all the three are rising here on the 2-hour charts. On the 3-hour, similar observation here. See, right now you can see the 20 period is offering it a very good resistance, and it is thus very, very important for gold to trade beyond 33.06, 33.10, 33.16, and then 33.20. These levels are very crucial, and then it will try to move towards 33.30 levels. But I will say the up move till 33.10, 33.20 zone, I will say it is going to be riskier with the buys here. Yes, it can reverse any point of time, and data can be the one which can reverse the trend. If you see the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD, after forming a double bottom, it is trading with divergence, supportive for further rise. RSI is rising as well. On the 4-hour charts, and similar observation here, rise, retracement, trying to reverse again. I'll just wait for it to trade beyond 20 period here as well, and this means 33.06, 33.10 zone is going to remain one critical milestone for gold to break beyond. At the same time, on the downside, 32.90, 32.80. Now see, this is possible. What it may try to do, divide this into two. It can try to reverse from here. Possibility exists is strong. Stochastic rising, MACD crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bullish. RSI rising. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts here. What has happened here so far? See, after this drop, it has formed a flat top here, which is a clearly greater resistance zone. It is going to be difficult now for gold to break this levels here, 33.40, 33.50. Till here, I will say it is going to be really, really difficult for gold to break. But once it breaches the zone, it is going to rally high. Now see what's happening on the daily charts. First of all, moving averages have converged after a long time. See, it is almost, you can see since the beginning of 2025, at least it has not shown such convergence. This is certainly a slight bearish sign for gold. And if it crosses over, this may confirm the beginning of a downtrend here in the gold prices. Yes, this will be confirmed in my monthly forecast, which I am going to share tomorrow. This is going to shed further light on what to expect from gold in the month of August. But right now, if you focus on today, what has happened? See, for the day, lower highs here, it has formed a flat base. It is very, very important for gold to trade below 32.80. And now below 32.80, I'll be looking forward to the first target at 32.60 directly. And then 32.48, 32.20 levels can also be there very, very soon. Yes, one bearish candle, one pullback. See what has happened here: one bearish candle, one pullback, one bearish candle, second pullback. So today it can take a U-turn, it can reverse again. And that is why I say, as long as it fails to trade below 3320 levels today, we should not be treating gold as bullish. The stochastic is rising here, but the MACD is bearish and the RSI is flat. So considering this, now before I provide you the trading levels, you should also learn this art of trading such that you can identify the profitable trades with ease. You can increase your winning ratio and become a profitable trader. Join my next mentorship batch starting 1st of September. Only limited seats are available. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Else, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals. Also, you can profit. Connect with me for any of your queries. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a sweat-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first is where you should sell. You should ideally now take a sell at 3292 levels, expect it to move towards 3286 and then 3280.78. Once gold trades below 3278.80, ideally I will be looking at 3260 levels, and below that 3248. In fact, 3220 levels can be seen very soon, if not. While on the upside, I will only recommend a buy if you see it is staying beyond 3306 levels. See, 330608 is going to be one prime resistance here. Then you can expect it to move towards 3314.16, then 3323 levels here, which gold has to break beyond. If and only if it trades beyond 3320, there could be slight bullishness, but it is yet not a reversal. First resistance it is going to get is at 3330 levels, and beyond 33 35 36 will come into picture. Till 33 35 36, I should say, it is really going to be difficult for gold to break this zone now. Let's wait for the direction today it takes. I think even if it tries to rise 3314, 3315 levels, at best it may try to hit and then reverse from those levels. Possibility exists strong. Let's wait for it to take a direction. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see, it has hit the lows at 3620. Now see, it has formed a flat top here. Earlier in the day I have mentioned a buying entry has to be above 3680. It is yet to break below this, but what has happened on the downside, see, it has hit the lows, trying to recover now, and it is forming a very good support now at 3640. So now in fact, when you see silver trading below 3640, you can take a sell. Below 3640, again I'll be looking at 3620, and then below 3620, this time it is going to deliver a good correction all the way towards 36 and then 3550 levels very soon. But right now I can see it is trading slightly oversold. Let's have a further look. See, the stochastic, after hitting the double bottom levels, trying to bounce back, it can form a double top here as well. The MACD rising, the RSI rising. Signs are supportive for further bullishness. Coming to 2-hour charts, look at 2-hour charts here. The moving averages are trading with divergence, is staying bearish. Then the second thing is, see, after the rise it is retraced, trying to bounce back. Now only bullishness in silver is if you see it is staying below 36, beyond 3680. If and only if silver trades beyond 3680, it's a good entry point for us to initiate a buying trade, and then expect it to move towards 37 and 3720 levels. Till 3720, it's not bullish. Stochastic right now bearish. Interestingly, the MACD, after a drop, it is crossed over, it is trading with moderate bullishness, while the RSI is just coming out of the oversold zone. On the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similar observation. See, after retracement, one bearish candle, then sideways pull, then again a swing. Now after showing a swing, we have seen the preceding candle also trying to bounce, but it is pretty important for silver to trade beyond 3680. That is the only level beyond which we can say now there could be slight bullishness towards 37 and 3720, and if at all it trades beyond 3720-25, you can just stay bullish, chances for which appears to be less. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a buy. The RSI is flat near to the bottom. On the 4-hour, now on the 4-hour chart, there is one point to note. Look at these two candles. See, both, first of all, red. Second, there is a push from the downside. Third is diminishing body size, and hence right now I'll say it is neither bullish nor bearish as long as it stays above 3640, 3620 zone. This is going to be the prime support zone. Only and only if silver trades below 3620, there will be more bearishness. The moving averages are trading with divergence and staying bearish. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish, it is not yet crossed over for a buy. The RSI is staying oversold. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily charts, look at the preceding two candles. First of all, drop retracement, and it once it has breached the 20 period, we have seen accelerated bearishness. It has come down towards the support zone here. The support zone here is pretty strong. Look at the move here. You can see it has formed a very good base here at 3550, 3570 zone, and since then we have seen the rise. Now this is the zone it needs to breach, that is 3550, 3570. If this zone is taken, we can look forward to a greater down move. What's happening today? See, first it has started the day on a bearish note. It is showing higher lows. Very, very important for silver to breach this. And remember, this is outside bands, and hence it is finding it difficult to stay outside Bollinger bands. Let's wait for it to stay below 3640, 3620 zone. Stochastic oversold, the MACD divergent and bearish, the RSI is bearish as well. And hence, considering this, now the buying entry is only and only if you see silver above 3680. In fact, you can buy at 3670 as well, but yes, 3680, 85 is something you should watch out for. 37 is what you should watch out for, and 37 2025. Three levels here on the upside which are going to play a major role today in deciding the further move for silver. If it trades beyond 37.25, stay bullish for 37.50, 60 as the first target and 38 as the next. Chances for which appears to be less, but yes, this is silver and these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. On the downside, take a sell at 36.40 itself, but then 36.20 till 36.20, 36.30 also one support, 36.20 the next. If it trades below 36.20, you can stay short for 36, 35, 75, 35, 50 levels. Possibility exists. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again tomorrow with my monthly forecast for the August month. Do watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.